Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting craft, but not just one craft. It's going to be a whole series for my modern day Great Gatsby creative shoot with my model tomorrow. And not only am I doing separate little videos for everything that's going to be in her photo shoot, but I'm also going to do a behind the scenes vlog of her whole photo shoot tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get started. So before I get started, I want to go over the things that I'll be using, and this probably won't be everything, but it's going to be the vast majority. So I have feathers here. These are feather bow. They're all connected, and I'm going to wrap these around the umbrella. Yes, we're working with the umbrella today. I have black and white. This is the color scheme, by the way. We have the large, pretty black and white feathers. Pearls, of course. These are hanging gems. You already know we're going to hang these off the umbrella. And then we got some really pretty lace that I'm going to put in between the folds. And this as well. And of course, I'll be using spray adhesive and my hot glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is the wonderful umbrella we got, and it is huge. But y'all, I want y'all to see how me and my assistant got the umbrella sitting upright, because it is literally like, I can't. We literally like just stuffed a bunch of stuff in the box so it can sit up straight. But yes, by any means necessary, we're gonna get the job done. So I don't know what I want to use first. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, I always tell y'all where I get my stuff. So this came from Joann Fabrics. If you have one in your state, I know they're not in every state. Oh, this is so pretty. Yes. Oh my goodness. I think I want to put this in like every other pleat. Yeah, we're going to do every other pleat. Okay, you guys, so I'm done talking. I want to focus. So the rest of the video will just be me going through the steps and some nice music. So I hope you enjoy. Toodles. Okay, so here I am with the feathers from Walmart, surprisingly, and the spray adhesive from Joann Fabrics, and I'm just spraying the adhesive directly onto the umbrella because I want it to sit for a couple seconds to get a little tacky, so then I can just kind of throw the flat feathers onto the umbrella and then just cover that whole area completely. So that's what I'm about to do here. So continue watching. You can't ever go wrong with pearls. They're a girl's best friend. Okay, so I took the roll of pearls and went down one pleat to get the exact measurement, and then I just started cutting the other amount of pearls that I need for each pleat on the umbrella. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just going down each one using hot glue and the spray adhesive to glue each pearl string on each pleat. But video footage got lost from here, so the next clip will be the completed umbrella, but I will go over everything else on that clip. So stay tuned. Alrighty, it is done. I absolutely love the final look. So the white lace pleats, I did all gems on that one. These are gems and pearls, all feathers on this side. This other one is this is all pearls. So I did, different. Each pleat is unique. This is gems and pearls. So yes, And then, so all of it is asymmetrical. So the black lace is going all the way across. The lace pleats are going across each other. The all feathers are going across each other, if that makes sense. You'll kind of see in this video how I did it, but I absolutely love, see, there we go. So the black pleats are going across, all feather pleats are across from each other. And then I only needed 2 black feather strips. I have 1 on each side, and then I cut 2 of the white feather strips in half, and that's how I have them draped on opposite sides of each other. And then I wrapped the rest of the remainder around the top part of the umbrella. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was easy to do. I did this all in one day. I do recommend you guys go get all the supplies first, because I had to make double, triple trips back to the store because I was running out of stuff. So make sure you grab everything first and then do this project the next day. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Go like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the full behind the scenes photo shoot. I'll have my model introduce herself and you guys get sneak peeks. Stay tuned. Bye.